Ándale, sí, ¿se sacaste todo? Y ahora vamos a trabajar el otro. Hey, mira. Ya quedó. Hazte para allá.
¿Ves? Vengan a hacer con la llanta. Allá afuera, confía, forma.
Se levantó bien la troca, fíjate que me nota,
Alright, so today we're going to be putting this jack that I picked up off of Amazon. I'm going to give this a test run and let's see how well it does. Alright, so got a truck right here. Let's go ahead and get this set up under here. We already got that lifted up to the highest position. So we see we got the jack right here. Alright, now I got my remote. I'm going to hit the up, like power button first. Then I'm going to go ahead and hit the up. And it's going to go up on its own. So take a step back so we can look at the truck. And our tire is up off the ground. That's great. I'm going to go ahead and stop it. Hit the power button on my remote to stop it. And that's going to be the end of my video. But as you can see, it does a good job. Till next time.
Pues acabo de recibir el Electric Hydraulic Jacket, que lo compré de Amazon. El día de hoy lo recibí, que viene siendo este aparato. Y pues ya conecto el cable y pues sí funcionan los foquitos de por acá y funcionan los foquitos de enfrente. Pero si quiero inflar la llanta, que es este botón que está aquí, pues no produce ningún no infla. Y si quiero subir, este es el que sube el gato para el carro. Y si la pongo para arriba, pues no sirve. En el centro, que es detener, y para abajo no prende. Y está conectado, entonces tampoco funciona.
There's the jack. There's the impact. This section of the impact is supposed to turn, but it's not. See what it's doing? It doesn't lock to pull the bolt off.